What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Koi by Trippie Red. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got two different chords and a little picking pattern that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chords, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as the guitar tab that I made for this song that will be in the description as well. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. Now I will warn you guys just from the get-go that this song is out of tune, so you would have to purposely tune your guitar out of tune to be able to play this along to the song and have it sound exactly right. But I will show you the chords and the picking pattern that you can play just by yourself, or like I said, if you want to find the tuning, it's like in between. It's like in between standard and a half step down or something like that. But these are the chords and the correct picking pattern in standard tuning. So you're starting with an E minor 7 bar chord. It's going to be 0, 7, 9, 7, 8, 7. You're barring the entire 7th fret with your index finger starting on the A string, and then you're putting your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string. Then you're going to move that exact same formation down to 9, 11, 9, 10, 11 for an F minor 7 bar chord. So now, like I said, they're just down strumming once between those two throughout the entire song. I believe the other guitar part is a second guitar, but I found a way that you can play it with one guitar just by yourself. But you're going to be down strumming on your chord, and then picking your B string and using your pinky to hammer on and pull off from the 8, 10, 8. So it's then move down to your F minor 7 bar chord, down strum, and the same thing, but this time it's 10 and 12. And then again, that just repeats. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Billy Schultz Music. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.